to make this claim, today we've got a few tricks up our sleeves. Thank you, Qubo.
Now it's fairly easy to put this into the valve here. Once you plug the nozzle into the valve, and it's really easy, just press this button and it springs into operation. It's easy peasy.
This segment of SUVs don't get ADAS suite of features. So what I'm saying is that having a Qubo dash cam here also leads to you or your car having ADAS suite of safety systems. It's got a camera looking up front, it's got a camera looking behind.
Outside the rear windscreen.
It's going to work when the car is parked. We started the day with Qubo. Might as well end the day with Qubo, but this time it's the air purifier.
This one, it offers 3 layers of filtration.
Uh-huh.
It senses the AQI of the cabin automatically, and it is able to then adjust its suction power. And that ensures that you have good AQI within the cabin at all times.
So well thought out products from Hero here once again. Well thought out products from Qubo. I'm glad that these things are coming from an Indian manufacturer that we trust.
For the buying experience, the website, it has all the information that you would need, that we would need.